Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A80 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and choose Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and now we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off, and that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!